Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, we are going to show you how to easily download Kinemaster Pro Premium APK for free without any cost. You know that the premium version of Kinemaster costs money, but we are going to show you how to do it free. So for that you have to follow my steps as I am showing in the video. Without any delay, let's start. At first, I am downloading the Kinemaster app from Play Store. As you can see, the downloading process is been going on. Now the app is fully installed and now ready to be used. Let's open the app. Please allow and give all the necessary permissions and skip these things to start your APK. As you can see, it requires money to unlock the premium version of Kinemaster, and if you use the premium version you can unlock these features also, but now I'm going to show you how to do it free without any cost. Now you have to follow our steps. Just randomly open any video and see if it works. If you open the free version of Kinemaster, many things will be locked like 4K, Full HD and many other stickers and effects. So for that you have to move on to the premium version. Now I am uninstalling the app and clearing all of its data. Now you have to go to the following link given in the description box. Now click go to download pages. Click to download APK file mode.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through.
Click the download once again.
The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
As you can see, the app is already downloaded and is ready to be installed.
Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling
The install is also completed. Now let's go to the home screen and open the Kinemaster APK.
I am conflicted, watching where I step, still hanging in the balance.
Simply allow and go forward as usual, as shown before.
And you are, oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it close.
Now if you go to the settings and check my information, you can see that the subscription status is annual. It means your app is now in premium version and ready to be used. You can use all of the features now and can see that the watermark is also removed. And you can also see that all the resolutions are also now unlocked, and you can save in any kind of resolution like 4K or Full HD. So that's all how you can easily download and install Kinemaster premium version without any money and without any cost for free. So if you like the video, please like, comment and share. Let me know if you face any problem and what do you want next, and don't forget to subscribe to be with us.